Hey everybody, Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here with a very early midday update. And that's because the day is over. It's done. At least it is for us. So, look, the thing was this. You see VWAP up here around 22. You see the AD. The AD started off weak and it stayed weak. So all these little pops and this little whip, it didn't matter. It was all going to end up heading lower. So all we did was come out, let the whip work. I mean, we were short a little bit in here, but then eventually as it starts to reveal itself, it just becomes a very straightforward short against 23 because the AD is so damn weak. And then, down goes Frazier, So what are we seeing now? We've covered that. It's made a bias below our proprietary lower level. The AD remains weak. So this little pop becomes a sell. We're short from some, 02 to 03 half. And, you continue to see this weakness. If the AD breaks the current low at negative 434, you're going to see a lower low. That's just the reality of what's happening. If the bulls want to rally today, you need to recover it internally first, get up over the top of 06 to 08, and then take a look at heading higher. But look, they're going to have to get that done. That's not going to be easy. All right. Take care. I'll be back with another update later on. Great day, great week, great month. Come see us. Take care.